Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to study Quizlet effectively updated. Start by setting clear goals for each set and grouping cards by topic to reduce friction. Choose active recall modes like flashcards and learn, and enable spaced repetition for automatic review timing. Keep sessions short, aim for focused 25-minute blocks, and pause between sessions to process information and avoid fatigue. Track progress and tweak timing based on mastery. Start by switching to active recall methods like flashcards and typed answers to force retrieval. Use the Quizlet write and test features to simulate exam conditions and reveal weak spots. Employ spaced repetition so difficult cards reappear more often and mastered cards appear less frequently. Mix in matching games for speed and confidence, but focus review on cards you consistently miss to improve long-term retention and efficiency. Structure sessions with 25-minute focused blocks followed by brief breaks to keep attention sharp. Add audio and diagrams to cards to engage visual and auditory memory channels for deeper encoding. Prioritize cards you miss and reduce repeats for mastered items using spaced review settings. Simulate test conditions occasionally by timing yourself and avoiding hints so you measure true recall rather than recognition. Reflect and adjust your.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.